Hi, today I'm making chicken and white bean chili. This is the other part of the recipe that I began with the salad that I made the other day. So I have a pound of ground chicken. For this recipe, I'm actually going to use a can of cannellini or white beans, mainly so that you can see that it can be done, this recipe can be done in about 15 minutes. I have 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I have included pepper to taste. I also just picked up a package of cut onion and cilantro because I'm using it for a few dishes this week. What you see here is about 3/4 cups of onions and those 3 chopped garlic. Add it to 3/4 cups of finely chopped bell pepper. Now you can use jalapeno peppers if you want it to be really spicy, but the bell peppers and the seasonings that I'm adding seem to be just enough spice for me. So the McCormick white chicken chili powdered mix with 1 cup of water is what I'm adding to the cooked chicken. I'm adding drained white beans, and as you can see, it's just going to cook down. And because it only takes about 15 minutes for this entire recipe, it is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Now, you could have used the white beans that I added to the salad a few days before if they were soaked and sort of parboiled and softened. But I wanted to show that if you bought a can of beans, this could be done in 15 minutes. You top it with your favorite toppings. I have cilantro, cut avocado, red onions, red bell pepper. Those are the things I like, but you can use any kind of topping you want. But this is a easy, fast, delicious meal, and is enough to feed 2 people, and makes really great leftovers.